Ah, Christmas. That magical time of year where we all pretend we haven't been spending like sailors on shore leave. Did you know that in the UK the average person spent £1,100 on just Christmas? Yes, you heard it right. And £512 of that is just on gifts. But wait, there is more. While we're all busy emptying our wallets, a ridiculous 60% of Brits are scratching their heads, wondering how to cut back on festive expenses. Welcome to my statistics and tips about Christmas finances. I will not only talk about those stats, but also somehow try to figure out how to not sell a kidney to afford this year's Christmas. UK residents have decided that the best way to spread Christmas cheer is by spending more money that they don't have. A projected 40% increase in Christmas gift spending per person. That's right, we are expecting the total gift expenditure to hit a mind-blowing £27 billion. This number is up by 37% from last year. Why? This isn't because we suddenly love each other more. Nope. It's a good, old-fashioned inflation. Thank you very much for printing money, by the way. Meanwhile, sales volumes are dropping faster than Santa down the chimney. Those people between age 35 and 44 are cutting back on gifts and festivities. Probably because they finally check their bank balances. But the young ones, Gen Z, you guys spending even more because who cares about saving for a house, right? The average British household in December spent 29% more than other months, leading to an average debt of £439 just for that 1 month. Now that we had a good cry at these spending trends, let's talk through the swamp of financial advice that I can give you on how to not bankrupt yourself this Christmas. It's time for some groundbreaking advice, okay? Setting a budget. Revolutionary. I know. With 22% of Britons feeling like they have to spend more than a small country GDP on Christmas, it's critical to know the difference between I need this and whoo, shiny. Make a list. Check it twice, maybe even thrice. This list should include all the things you will probably regret later buying, like gifts, the on-top decoration, and social events that you will need a year to recover from financially. Now here's the fun idea. Use budgeting apps, okay? It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, constantly reminding you that maybe, just maybe, you don't need a third set of LED lights. Think about making gifts yourself. Nothing says I care like lopsided homemade candle. Plus, it's cheaper, right? And hey, don't forget those cashbacks and offers and discounts. They sometimes can add up. Squeeze that budget until it screams, okay? And remember, the best gifts are not the one that forces you to eat instant noodles for the next 3 months. Are you feeling enlightened already? Hold on into your Santa hats, because I'm about to take these tips and see you how they play out in the real world. Imagine this. You have a grand total of £500 to make Christmas happen, which, let's be honest, you probably don't because you didn't budget for it, hence the use of credit cards this year. But set a spending cap for each family member, okay? Think Secret Santa, but it's just you. If you have friends, lucky, they get homemade treats. Who doesn't love a slightly burnt cookie with a questionable icing drop? Come on. Hosting a dinner maybe? Make it a potluck. It's like outsourcing your meal prep and everyone gets to show off their signature dishes. And decorations. Time to get crafty with what you've got really. Who knew that old jumper could turn into festive wreath? And voila! You've managed to have a Christmas that's as economical as it's memorable. While those stats on UK's Christmas spending are as staggering as the queue for Boxing Day sales, with a bit of wit and a lot of restraints, you can actually enjoy the festive season without selling your kidney. Remember, it's the thought that counts, not how many zeros are on the price tag. For more tips on how to not blow your life saving every December, download our Uniflow app. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket that will show you whether you can or cannot afford those Santa hats. Also, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom from me that's as priceless as your grandma fruitcake recipe. For now, I'm wishing you a Christmas that's merry, bright, and most importantly, doesn't leave you broke.